there, today I'm going to show you how to achieve this cranberry smoky eye. To start off, I used a Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer to prime my eyes. Taking the lightest shade from the mattifying palette from LA Colors, I'm going to set the primer. Then using the Jaclyn Hill Palette from Morphe, I'm mixing both creamsicle and butter and applying them as my transition shade. Then I'm applying Jax all over my lid. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm applying Jax above my crease so that when I open my eyes, I can see the shadow. Then taking a crease brush, I'm blending out Jax. Taking the same brush, I used Roxanne to further blend out Jax. With the same brush I used for the transition shade, I further blend out the Roxanne. Then taking a clean blending brush, I blended out the edges of the transition shade. After that, I went back in and reapplied the transition shade to intensify the colors and blending it out again. You can leave it as is, but I want to apply Credible over Jax just to be extra. Without any additional products, blend out the edges with a crease brush again. Then go back in with Roxanne to blend out the edges of Credible some more. Everything else is self-explanatory. Here I use in light as my brow bone highlights. I already applied eyeliner off camera. For my lower lashes, I started with applying Jax as close to my waterline as possible. the intensity you want, then blend it out with creamsicle and butter. Reapply, blend, reapply, and blend until you like how it looks. Then I'm taking the clean brush and blend out the edges. Taking light again, I'm applying it as my inner corner highlight. Then blend out the edges. Curl your lashes and apply on mascara. I'll link the lashes I use down below along with a list of everything I use in this tutorial. This is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time!